The incarcerated senior APSC leader Naeem Ahmed Khan has said that Modi-led fascist Indian government has launched a vicious campaign, particularly after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A in August 2019, to further marginalize the majority community in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The illegally detained leader, in a message from India's notorious Tihar jail, termed the frequent removal of Kashmiri Muslims from government jobs as part of a dangerous game plan of the Modi government to minimize their role in the civil administration. He added that economic strangulation of Kashmiris through illegal confiscations, dispossession, forced evictions, demolition of civilian properties, and termination of government employees is meant to replace the indigenous population with Hindu settlers. He urged the World Human Rights Organizations to take effective notice of the matter. Meanwhile, Indian police arrested 5 innocent youth from Ashtingu and Hajan areas of Bandipora district today. The detained youth were identified as Irfan Ahmed Butt, Sajjad Ahmed Mir, Sharik Ahmed Mir, Irfan Ahmed Jan, and Irfan Aziz Butt. The youth have been arrested on the pretext of aiding Mujahideen. All-Party Hurriyat Conference leader Muhammad Musaddiq Adil was admitted to a hospital in Srinagar after suffering a heart attack. Special prayers have been appealed to all friends and people. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference leaders have prayed for his speedy and complete recovery. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti, while talking to delegations of people from different walks of life in Srinagar, said the Indian authorities were hell-bent on economic disempowerment of the Kashmiri people. Jammu-based Mission Statehood President Sunil Dimple, addressing a press conference, demanded the restoration of statehood and Article 370 before the assembly election in the territory.